Assalamualaikum viewer. Today I show you how to replacement Toyota Camry 2002 model 5S 3S engine head gasket. First you need to battery disconnect and then engine mounting, timing cover, manifold. You need also tire open because you need to first of all timing remark. Now I open this engine mounting. There have 14mm bolt and then I open this breaker, this engine mounting breaker. There have also 3 bolt. This bolt size is 14mm. I put out now is alternator belt and then engine breaker. Put out this 2 piece. Okay, and then I do it again, timing remark, and then now I open it timing belt cover because I need to this timing mark reset first of all. So everyone is remember where you need to this open head, you don't open his whole parts, only up timing cover you open, just open. No need to use all timing cover and then fully, no need to you put out, only you put out this timing cover up. Now I open for cover fully because I need to turn around for timing mark. Viewers, this pulley bolt is 19mm. 19mm box. You need to round this pulley for round for timing mark. This is cam pulley. You need to up mark cam pulley same like that mark up. And then there have engine pulley also. You look, there have mark. I show you. Look, there have mark same. So like do it is 0. Okay, round for this mark because I need to reset first of all timing, and then now I put out this plug cable. And now I open it this electric distribution. Where you open this electric distribution, you must be remember this firing order number 1. Where you report this distribution, you must be do it firing order number 1. Where you put number 4, you cannot start your engine. Now I put out all disconnect cable. You need to all cable disconnect this computer inside, outside, all connect disconnect, and then it put out one side. This is first part of my video. You need to more video for second part, third part. You subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.